Sit-ups are a classic core exercise, but if you're not doing them with the right form, you're not just wasting energy. You could be straining your neck and back and missing out on the real strength-building benefits. Let's walk through how to perform sit-ups the right way. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head, or better yet, cross them over your chest to avoid pulling on your neck. Now here's the key. As you begin to lift, engage your core first. Don't just yank yourself up with momentum. Tighten your abs and use your abdominal muscles to lift your upper body toward your knees in a controlled motion. Only come up to about a 90-degree angle. Your lower back can stay slightly curved. There's no need to go all the way up if it compromises form or adds pressure to your spine. Now avoid these common mistakes. Pulling on your neck or head, this leads to tension and pain. Keep your neck neutral, using momentum instead of muscle. If you're swinging your arms or jerking upward, you're letting momentum do the work your core should be doing. Feet lifting off the floor. This usually means your core isn't fully engaged. To correct this, keep your feet grounded and focus on slow, controlled reps. Breathe out on the way up and inhale on the way down. And remember, your core is more than just abs. It's your foundation. A strong core helps protect your spine, improve your posture, and support every movement you make, both in and out of the gym. In 1 Corinthians 9:27, Paul says, "I discipline my body and bring it under control." That includes the core. So let's train with intention, not just to look strong, but to be strong in body, mind, and spirit. Like and subscribe for more Bible-based fitness tips that strengthen the body and honor God.